Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Hopelessly Trying. My channel is all about my art journey. I'll be posting my artwork, some things that I'm learning, and I'll be following some tutorials as well, so showing you what I did following a tutorial. I'm looking to grow and improve my art skills. Sorry about that. I'm trying to improve my art skills. So I'm drawing and painting to see what works for me. I fell in love with painting last year, August. So it's almost a year since I've been painting, and I just recently started drawing this year, January. And I want to show you guys what I've been doing, my process, my progress, and all those things. I know that I haven't shown you guys anything that I've drawn because I've been so shy to show you guys how it looked like. But like I said, it's my art journey, so I shouldn't be shy of showing how it started. So what I'm gonna do one of these days, I'm gonna make a slideshow of my art, how it started and how far I have gotten. And what I've been trying to do as well is figure out my art style. So when I started painting with acrylic. I've never liked gouache. You know, when we used to do little drawings with kids and so forth, they'll normally use gouache painting because it doesn't really get stuck on clothes. And I never really liked it because on paper, it always made the paper feel hard and like it just didn't feel good. So then I fell in love with acrylic when I actually started painting, and I enjoyed it. So I'll always be using acrylic, and then I started learning and I started getting better with acrylic. But I'm like, I would never actually know what is my art style if I'm only stuck with one sort of paint type. So I need to try other styles. So with this drawing and stuff, I tried painting with watercolor paint, I think that's how you call it, and watercolor inks. That's what I used, and it was fun. It was really fun. I really enjoyed it. I actually didn't expect it to actually turn out the way that it did. The coloring is great. I still got things to learn, still got other things to improve on, but like I said, it's my art journey. I'm going to fail, I'm going to succeed, but that doesn't mean I need to quit. And but what I noticed when I was painting, that I wanted to try and get the crystal. So there'll be a certain point that I'm going to turn the page. I'll literally turn the page because I can't manage to get that little curve on the side of the nose. For artists, for those people that draw and paint will understand what I'm trying to say. It just seems so hard. But anyway, I really enjoyed doing this. It was so much fun. It was messy. It was really messy. But like I said, I'm all about learning. I'm all about improving. And that is just one of the things that I keep trying to do. I'm learning how to work with certain colors. I'm learning how to blend certain colors, and it's not a masterpiece, people. It's my masterpiece for me because I'm learning how to draw this thing, and it wasn't at all easy. It wasn't. I promise you guys when I say that I found this actually very difficult. As much as it felt soothing, it felt great. It was not easy, and I didn't get to follow any tutorials. I just remember what most people have done, and I had a friend on Instagram, I don't know if I should call her a friend, tell me just like, yeah, erase most of the lines. And I've seen some of her videos that she's done, and I was like, I'm going to try and use most of what she does. I don't know if it's coughing, just to try and see if I'm doing it well. So that's why I did what I did. And yeah, but anyway, it's really fun. This is me trying to find my art skill. This is still on the series of trying to find my art skill. I haven't posted anything about me following any tutorials lately because I haven't been watching any tutorials. I've been trying to figure out my art style. I've been trying to figure out what works for me from what I have watched this past few months, and from some of the tutorials that I have done. But like I said, I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I've done before and I never actually managed to post because I didn't actually record it. So you guys can see where I have come from and where I am right now. And I am just planning on getting better with time, and I'm planning on improving with time. So yeah, I've been blabbing on, I've been talking and talking. I think I'm actually gonna stop right now. I'm just gonna let you guys watch the process. It's about to be finished anyway, but like I say, this was by far one of the best things that I've done, and I really enjoyed doing it. I actually never expected watercolor paint to be this interesting. I just saw a lot of people doing it, using it, and I actually never imagined myself enjoying it this much. But like, yeah, next time I'm gonna try using oil paint. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm going to do that. Yeah, I'm sure I'm going to fail horribly, but it doesn't matter. It's all part of learning, part of growing, and I am going to continue growing and improving my art. So, hope to see you guys again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, that's the final product. I added salt just to give it a oomph. I hope I didn't mess it up. Thank you.